Looking for a budget-friendly way to zip around town? Here are the 5 best electric bikes under $500 that won't break the bank, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1. EVA Plus Charger. The EVA Plus UL certified 54.6 volt fast electric bike charger priced at just $16.99. What caught my eye is the smart charging feature, which is designed specifically for 48 volt electric bikes and scooters. If you want a reliable charger that won't keep you waiting, this is worth a serious look. This charger outputs a max of 54.6 volts at 2A, which means it can give your electric bike battery a quick boost without damaging it. It automatically shuts off when the battery is fully charged, preventing overcharging and prolonging your battery's life. Plus, with over 1,000 units sold in just the last month, it's clearly a popular choice among e-bike enthusiasts. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're frequently on the go, this charger saves you time and hassle so you can hit the road sooner. Now, some users have mentioned that it only works with specific battery types, but here's the thing. As long as you check compatibility before purchasing, which is crucial, this charger should meet your needs without any issues. In the world of chargers, that's a small trade-off for the convenience it offers. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a dependable and fast charging solution without spending much. Skip this one if your bike uses a different battery type, as it won't work for you. Honestly, for less than $20, it's hard to beat the value. Now, if charging compatibility was a concern for you, the next product might be a perfect fit for your riding adventures.
Product number 2. JFG Racing Battery Bag. The JFG Racing Frame Battery Bag for just $19.99. I love how this bag is designed specifically for electric dirt bikes, making it super convenient for on-the-go riders. If you want a practical storage solution for your essential items while riding, this bag deserves your attention. This battery bag is made from durable, water-repellent nylon, so you don't have to worry about it getting damaged in tough conditions. It fits a wide range of electric dirt bikes, which means you won't be scrambling to find a compatible carrier. The reflective rope adds an extra layer of safety during night rides, helping you remain visible to others on the road. Here's why this matters. When you're tackling off-road trails or commuting in low light conditions, having a bag that's both functional and safe can make all the difference. Some reviews highlight that the elastic arm strap might not fit all body types perfectly, but here's the thing. If you're not using it as a wrist or arm bag, it still works wonderfully as a storage bag on your bike. So it's really about how you plan to use it. This is perfect for anyone who rides electric dirt bikes and needs a reliable way to carry small items like phones or tools. Skip this one if you ride a standard road bike, as it's tailored for dirt bikes. For under $20, you're getting a sturdy and safe storage option. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for organizing your essentials. Product number 3. The Highboy Handlebar Bag. The Highboy Scooter Storage Bag, available for $25.86. This one caught my attention because it's not just for scooters, it's versatile enough for various electric bikes too. If you want a bag that keeps your belongings safe and dry while you ride, this is definitely worth checking out. This bag features a hard shell EVA material that's not only waterproof but also impact resistant. So if you hit a bump or ride through rain, your items are safe and sound. Plus, it's got a large capacity, allowing you to carry everything from chargers to snacks without feeling cramped. Here's why this matters. When you're out riding, having easy access to your essentials can make or break your experience. But I'll be real with you, some users noted that it's not suitable for carrying very heavy items. However, for everyday essentials like your phone and keys, it performs excellently. It's all about knowing what you're putting inside. This is perfect for riders who commute regularly and need a reliable bag for daily essentials. Skip this if you're looking to carry heavy tools or equipment, as it's not designed for that. Still, for under $30, it offers great utility for your rides. Now, if you liked the convenience but want even more storage options, wait until you see the next product.
Product number 4. CDYWD Bike Basket. Moving on to product number 4, we have the CDYWD Bike Basket, priced at $30.99.
What stood out to me is its sturdy metal construction, which promises durability and reliability for every ride. If you're looking for a hefty basket to carry groceries or gear, this one's definitely worth a look. This basket has a large capacity of 13.4 by 9.4 by 6.9 inches, making it perfect for hauling anything from groceries to picnic supplies. The reinforced frame can handle heavy loads, and the epoxy coating ensures it won't rust easily, even in rainy weather. Here's why that matters. When you're cycling around town, the last thing you want is to worry about your basket falling apart under weight. Some users have expressed concerns about the installation process, saying it can be tricky. But here's the thing. It comes with a detailed instruction manual, and once you get the hang of it, it's not that hard to install at all. Just a little patience is all it needs. This is perfect for anyone who frequently runs errands or enjoys outdoor adventures and needs a reliable way to carry items. Skip this if you want something lightweight and portable, as it is designed more for sturdiness. At this price point, you're getting a solid, dependable basket for your bike. Now, if you want a more compact storage solution for smaller items, the next product might just be what you need.
Product number 5. Kemimoto Motorcycle Handlebar Bag. Coming in at $25.99, this bag caught my eye because of its universal fit for various bike models, making it a versatile option for many riders. If you're after a compact storage solution that's easy to install, this one's definitely an option to consider. Made from a waterproof PVC material, this handlebar bag will keep your essentials dry in wet conditions. It features a simple installation process and has built-in mesh layers to help keep your items organized, which is super handy when you're on the move. Here's why this matters. When you're out exploring, having easy access to your gear without rummaging through a mess is essential for a smooth ride. One downside some users noted is that it might not hold larger items securely. But here's the thing, if you're just looking to store smaller essentials like your phone or wallet, this bag shines. It's all about how you plan to use it. This is great if you ride a variety of electric bikes and want a straightforward way to carry smaller items. Skip this if you need to carry larger equipment, as it might not accommodate that well. For under $30, it provides excellent value for a reliable storage solution. All right, that wraps up our list of top electric bike accessories. Now let's compare these options and find the best fit for you. So let's quickly recap these options. The EVA Plus charger is perfect for fast charging. The JFG racing bag is great for dirt bikes. The Highboy handlebar bag offers versatility. The CDYWD basket is ideal for larger loads. And the Kemimoto bag is perfect for smaller essentials.